Yes, definitely. I believe these 15 categories of coins will pump because people will actually need them in the future. Today, let's talk about one of these categories, supply chain coins. First of all, why do we need them? In real supply chains, we have manufacturers, suppliers, logistics, customs, retailers, regulators. Nobody controls everything. Nobody fully trusts each other. Yeah, so nobody is the king, nobody is the boss. Every company keeps its own data. Data doesn't match, things slow down, and costs go up. That's why we need a supply chain blockchain. One shared system where everyone sees the same data. Nobody can secretly edit it. Nobody owns it. Right now, we don't have one. We also don't have a truly strong supply chain coin yet, but they will appear. And when they do, they might pump very hard. What do you think? Do you know any potential supply chain coins? Drop a comment.